Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Last week we had a Black Friday sale at Sephora and they were having up to 25% off on all products. So there were even brands that were never part of the promotion. So I was very excited and I picked up a few things, not too much. And then I have another things that I purchased. They might not be from the same Black Friday sale, but I'm going to include them in this haul. So I had actually 2 orders at Sephora, but I combined everything in this box. Now I'm going to take them out. I have talked about products that never went to sale or on sale, and one of these is the Rare Beauty brand. So they do not have this brand included on any kind of sales, but I was very happy because I could put my hand on this Positive Light Silky Touch highlighter in the shade Enlighten. I remember when I swatched this in Milano, I went with my friends this spring and I wanted to purchase. I don't know what kept me from buying at that time, but I'm the proud owner of this. I haven't even opened it. I opened just one product. I'm going to let you know which one it is. So the beautiful packaging, the shade is Enlighten, and we have 2.8 grams. So quite a lot of product, and it's good 12 months after opening. This is made in Italy. Oh, she's so beautiful. I wanted for a long time to get it. And on the same order, I finally got my hand on the Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. Now, after intense study, I went for the shade 2N, and I did very well because the shade 3N could have been too dark for me because this is at limit. So I love this type of packaging, but on Natasha Denona all the outer packaging have this pull here, so you can open the package without ripping it. So this is the High Glam Concealer. Now I have it on today and I'm doing a comparison with another high-end concealer favorite of mine. So as soon as that video will be up, I will link it down below. So that's why I don't want to give you too much details. I'm definitely excited because I'm a makeup lover. So yeah, when it's something that is so much hyped, I want to have it. Love the packaging, and also the cap has this beautiful detail. This was one of the orders. No, I also had the Sephora brush cleaner, no-risk brush cleaner, because if you remember in a previous e.l.f. haul, I ordered this from e.l.f. and I want to tell you that this doesn't do anything. So I was not able to clean my brushes after using them. It's like water. So you use this or use water is the same. And also it has a very strong perfume, so I don't like it. But I remember how much I enjoyed this one from Sephora. Just one thing I would love to be is to have a bigger bottle. I see they have it in store for cleaning their brushes, but it's not for sale. So this is the only one you can buy, and it's 60 milliliters or 2 fluid ounces. And I think it's the same quantity on the e.l.f. one, just I cannot see. Okay, and 2 products from Makeup by Mario. This was also on sale. So I got a blush. You see, Makeup by Mario doesn't have this intelligent, I would say, packaging that you don't need a scissor. So I will need a scissor, not to rip it, but just to open it. So first, let me show you the packaging. This is the Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil. And I got mine in the shade Perfect Pink. And I believe it is the same. Yeah, it has the same consistency like the contour one. I was a bit skeptical about this shade, and now I think it will work for me during winter. So yeah, Perfect Pink. I will just bring the Skin Enhancer. This is the Skin Enhancer and this is the Perfect Pink. So same packaging and I suppose the same consistency. Just I have a bit of a trouble to open the Skin Enhancer, but the blush opens quite well. So yeah, it is the same type of product. I have previous swatches on my hand because I have done an unboxing. So yeah, this is here. I'm going to try it in an upcoming video for sure, so stay tuned about this. And the last thing that I purchased from Sephora is also from Makeup by Mario, the Cosmetic Brush F4. And where to see, I wasn't very clear from the picture what is this brush, but I'm so excited. So it came like this. You have 2 protections. This is very good for travel because, hey, you have 2 brushes in one. This brush has the perfect shape to blend cream products. So you have the smaller end and the bigger hand. So this you can use it for the skin enhancer, and this you can use it for blush. Of course, you can use it for foundation as well. And this reminds me awfully about the BK Beauty brush. This is the 109 they created especially for the contour. Now this might look a little bit bigger, but this is because the Makeup by Mary one is new, so after you wash it and use it, it starts to change a bit the shape. So I bet they have the same shape. And then this, I didn't buy it, but now finally they have a reward program. When you accumulate enough points, you can redeem them for free products. So I got this Sephora brand Monoa. This is a body scrub, I believe. This came right in time because I have just a little bit left of my body scrub, so I'm going to start using it. And I picked up a few samples. So I picked up the Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation in the shade 2-in-1 Desert Beige. I believe this might work for me. And the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear. This is the new foundation in the shade 310N, and Giorgio Armani C Intense. Now I had years back the Eau de Parfum, the normal one. It was lovely, but I heard from my friends that they have changed the one that I used to love. So, oh, this is very strong. I can smell too much patchouli. Yeah, definitely it's not that powerful like the patchouli that you can feel in La Vie Belle from Lancome. It's better blended, I would say. So yeah, this is everything I have from Sephora. I'm going to clean everything and bring the new product that I wanted to share with you. This is the Trendmood volume 22 box. I just received it today, and I was surprised how quickly came this time around, because I think she released it maybe 10 days ago or so. Trendmood, it's a very successful Instagram page, and it's up to date with all the new releases. And based on that, every now and again, there is not a schedule, and as I mentioned, there is not subscription involved. We have the seal still intact, so everything is wrapped in purple paper. This is the Danessa Myricks Groundwork Defining Neutrals. So this is a palette for eyes, brows, face and lips. So I have heard mixed feelings about this eyeshadow palette. Now I don't know exactly what I'm going to believe about this, but I want to open it for the first time. This is my first Danessa Myricks palette. I love the outer packaging. It looks like it is leather. It's not leather, but it looks like. And it's a neutral shade. Now Tati said that you can travel with this eyeshadow palette and you have everything. So I do believe it is a palette that is very versatile. I am very, very excited to have this palette in my stash. I'm going to try it in an upcoming video together with the products that I have just hauled today. We have a 24K Snail Hydrating Serum Mist from the brand Tony Moly. Holy moly! You have 100 ml of product, and this is the outer packaging. I love this type of dispenser because then you don't need a cotton round, so you can just mist it on your face. You can use it as a setting if you want for your makeup, but it's better to use it on your bare skin because it has great ingredients. So we have 92% snail secretion filtrate and 24 gold carat and also niacinamide. So oh, it's quite impressive, I would say. And if you are wondering, the nail polish that I have is from O.P.I and the rings are from Read Your Heart. Then, yeah, I remember we had something from Ofra. Love Ofra. Yeah, it is a highlighter, but it has 4 colors. This is the highlighter X and Glows. So stunning. So this can be versatile for multiple skin tones, or you can use some of the shades that don't match you as a highlighter. You can use them as a eyeshadow. Maybe I will pair it with the Danessa Myricks eyeshadow palette because it's only matte shades there. So definitely excited about this. Oh, a product that I wanted to purchase. I almost placed an order on ELF for this. So I'm happy that I didn't now, because we have the liquid poreless putty primer. Okay, this is the consistency. I know that it's liquid, and Jessica Brown raves about this. She said that she prefers it over the putty primer in solid. So I will have to agree that it's very smoothing. Definitely gives a great canvas to begin with. I'm going to have to test that with my own skin. And then we have a Calorie Ray product. This is the Big Swell Hydrating Glassy Lip Plumper. I'm excited when I can get in Trendmood box products that I cannot order anywhere else, because Calorie Ray, it's not available in Europe. Last year we got the mascara, the tubing mascara, I cannot remember the name, and now we have another product from Calorie Ray, so yay! It's a transparent gloss. I'm going to keep it because I do not have many products from this brand. It doesn't have any smell, and anyway I cannot smell anything after I have tried the Giorgio Armani C Intense. Ooh, and the last two products are also by O.P.I. So we have two long-lasting liquid lipstick. I remember having this liquid lipstick, not in this shade, but different shades, and I know that O.P.I. liquid lipsticks are amazing. We have the shades Verona and Bel Air. Liquid lipstick, it's not my thing anymore. I don't enjoy so much liquid lipsticks. I'm more on a bullet lipstick now. That this is a beautiful shade, so maybe I will keep the lighter one, Bel Air, and Verona I will give it away. But yeah guys, this is everything I wanted to share with you in today's video related to Black Friday sale. Now if I get my BK Beauty order in time, I will include it here because there are only a couple of things.
One eternity later.
In order to finish off this haul and be able to upload it, I want to let you know that I finally received my BK Beauty order. It took about 1 month to arrive. So I purchased a few products. I was dying to try this makeup brush holder. Now I have here BK Beauty written. This is really good for travel, and it goes like that, so you can store your brushes. This is what it looks like, and then you can zip it up. So this is one of the products that it was on my list for a while. And then I have purchased 3 brushes. The backup brush that I got, it's the BK Beauty 109. Then I wanted for a long time to try this brush. This is Lisa's favorite foundation brush, the 106. She used it to buff the foundation on the skin, so I'm excited to have it. I'm going to test it in an upcoming video. And the third brush that I purchased is the 1010. It's a targeted brush for your concealer. This was from BK Beauty, and I have a small purchase from Beautylish. Can you guess what is inside? I have a tester from Good Molecules, Yerba Matte Wake Up Eye Gel. Revitalized tired puffy eyes. It's probably the new eye serum, and I believe the packaging says everything. By Sonia G. This is the sheer buffer brush. I missed the occasion to order it because when she first released it, I was in vacation or between vacations and I couldn't order anything. Later it was out of stock, and I think she restocked it around November. You have a short row of bristles at the base, and then you have longer bristles, and it's supposed to help blending your cream product. So I will have to also test this in a upcoming video. But yeah, this is everything I wanted or I missed to share with you on this haul. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please let me know your favorite product of today's video. I want to wish you all a wonderful day and blessed holiday time. Bye!